Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Troubleshooting, Python exe file closes immediately, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. One common issue encountered by developers when creating executable files, .exe, from Python scripts is the executable closing immediately after launch without displaying any error messages. This tutorial aims to guide you through the troubleshooting process and provide solutions to address this problem. Use command prompt for launching. When encountering issues with an executable, it's helpful to launch it from the command prompt to capture any error messages that might be generated. Open the command prompt, navigate to the directory containing your executable, and run the file from there. Observe the output or any error messages that might be displayed. Check for syntax errors. Syntax errors might not be immediately visible when running a script, but they can cause the executable to terminate silently. Use a Python linting tool or an integrated development environment, IDE, to check for syntax errors in your code. Pause execution at the end. Add a line at the end of your script to pause execution using the input function. This will keep the console window open after the script finishes, allowing you to identify any issues. Logging. Integrate logging into your script to capture information during runtime. This can help you identify the point where the script terminates unexpectedly. Check external dependencies. If your script relies on external libraries, ensure that the required dependencies are installed. Sometimes, the absence of a module or library can lead to immediate termination. Run with administrator privileges. Some scripts require elevated permissions to run successfully. Try running the executable as an administrator to see if the issue persists. Use PyInstaller or cx_freeze. If you are using a different tool to convert your Python script to an executable, consider trying alternative tools like PyInstaller or cx_freeze. Different tools might handle certain situations better than others. Inspect Event Viewer, Windows. Check the Windows Event Viewer for any application or system-related errors. Look for events around the time your executable was launched to identify potential issues. Update Python and related packages. Ensure that your Python interpreter and any related packages or libraries are up to date. Newer versions may include bug fixes that could resolve the issue. Conclusion. By following these troubleshooting steps and integrating the suggested techniques, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue of your Python executable closing immediately. Remember to document any error messages or observations to help with further analysis if needed. ChatGPT.